y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing a unit that I received from Samsbeauty.com. This is the Stylist Human Hair Blend in the style Bella. So here's how the unit looks straight out of the package. The only thing that I did prior to filming was go in and pluck the hairline just to give the hairline a more natural look. I did not spray any lace tint on this lace. This lace initially came this color, but you do get two options for the lace, either the neutral HD lace or the brown HD lace, and I chose the brown HD lace. So first thing I do is I go in and cut the ear tabs off on each side of the wig. And I love when the lace actually covers my ears. It just gives me the opportunity to cut where I want to cut. And it just also lets me know that this wig is definitely big head friendly, and it just fits so comfortable on my head. Now I'm going in with my favorite Ebin Firm Hold Spray, and this is the only spray that I use for my synthetic wigs. It just holds the wigs down for a very long time. And just for that extra security, I will go in and spray 2 layers of that Ebin Firm Hold Spray. In with my elastic band and blow dryer just to help give that lace that extra melt and that extra security. I do this process for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I put the blow dryer on the hottest heat setting. Now when it comes to cutting my lace, I always cut my lace in a zigzag motion. It just gives the lace that more natural look as opposed to me cutting the lace straight across. So for all of the areas that did not fully glue down, I'm going back in with my Even Firm Hold spray, and I'm just going to re-glue those areas. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses foundation, and I got this in the color Level 15. I will have this product in my Amazon storefront, which will be linked in my description box below. But this product will definitely help my lace to look extremely natural, and it will just completely blend in with my skin tone and really just seal the entire look together. With the Got To Be gel to style my baby hairs, and I like using this gel because it's just easier to manage my baby hairs when I'm using this, and also it just lasts longer. Using this with the Got To Be free spray or whatever free spray you have will really have your edges staying in place throughout the entire day. using the Luster's wax stick to help lay down and flatten the top of my wig. I like to add this step with the blow dryer and the hard brush it just makes it so much more easier to flatten down my wig. It really helps like to flatten down that foundation, and then I go in with my hot comb. Brushing these curls out, y'all, I swear this wig did not feel synthetic. It had that soft human hair feel to it. Like, you can tell the difference between, of course, a synthetic and a human hair wig, but this is a blend, and it definitely was blending because I could not believe the texture of this wig. Like, just the texture of the wig was like super soft, and it just had that natural feel to it. So for that final touch, I like to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. So here are the final results of this unit. I love the way these curls came out, the texture of the wig, even just the natural brown lace blending in with my skin tone without me using my lace tint was just perfect for me. I honestly did not have high expectations with this wig just because, I don't know, it just didn't look like this on the stock card. But honestly, I'm surprised and I'm very impressed with the results of this wig. This wig is very much on the shiny side, so I do recommend going in with a dry shampoo. Some people use baby powder if they don't have dry shampoo, but I do recommend just going in with some dry shampoo just to take that shine out and just give it more of a natural look. to go in and show y'all how a side part would look with this unit. And honestly, the side part is also really giving just a beautiful look. I just love the way the curls flow on this unit. It just gives off natural, and I love it. It's so cute. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and stay tuned for my next video.